Alright, quick stop into Chinatown today. My family lives nearby, so I might as well take advantage of it. So Chinatown's really easy to get to. They have bikes, they have the train, the red line which comes through here, and also they have parking, and the parking's super cheap. So it is public parking. It's $2 for a couple of hours. Now, just past Chinatown proper, which is where you saw the arches, there's Chinatown Square. Now, don't miss this. It looks ugly on the outside, but if you keep walking to the inside, it's actually really cool. Right, it comes with instructions on how to enjoy your whipped cream bread. I enjoy it by stuffing it in my mouth. Alright, once you're done eating, shopping, grab your boba tea and walk over to Chinatown Park. About 6 minutes-ish walk over, and well worth it. It's such a great way to end your time in Chinatown. Biking, if you're biking to Chinatown, you can drop your bike off at Chinatown. The only thing that's weird, can you hear the train coming? There is train tracks that run right in front of the park, which is so odd and seems unsafe, but never had any problems with it. This park is absolutely gorgeous. It's well used, I will tell you that, because you can actually not only bike over here, you have public transportation if you're coming from Chinatown, but you can catch the boat or kayak here and go back downtown, which is amazing. I was gonna say Chinatown Park was one of in the episode of Amazing Race. This is where they did the finale, and I was like, oh my god, if I was on the Amazing Race, I know exactly where that is, and we would have won. Had I made it to the last episode, which is doubtful. There's also a small park here, so if you have little ones with you, you want them to run off some energy so that they'll sleep tonight in the hotel, you're in luck. The Chinatown statue in honor of the leading force behind the creation of Chinatown's Chinatown Park. So this is Chinatown Park is also a water taxi stop, so you could grab the water taxi here, which is a great way to get back downtown. I mean, truly, this place is stunning. I mean, this was a great stop on your days of activities. Oh, it sounds like the boat's here. I'm gonna hop on the water taxi.